Did you know, according to Sustainable Agriculture Research and Education, that cover crops can reduce erosion in conventional tillage fields by 20.8 tons per acre? Cover crops are used to lower erosion, increase water quality, and improve soil structure. There are many different types of cover crops which are used in many locations, and they are planted after the harvest of a cash crop and then terminated before the next year. Cover crops are a farming practice with many great benefits. There are many different types of cover crops with their own purposes, and these purposes can include improving water quality and decreasing erosion. Some different types of cover crops include grasses, legumes, and brassicas. According to Growing Fruits, the complete guide to cover crops, grasses are tall, spindly, close together, and have great root structures, which will in turn increase the soil structure. Then there are legumes. These have pods and add nitrogen to the soil through their root systems, which have nodules on them of bacteria. This will decrease the need for fertilizers. Then there are brassicas. These are leafy and close to the ground. They can also help with the pest control, and they will loosen the soil, making it easier for roots to penetrate. There are many great benefits of these cover crops, including the lessening of soil erosion. Soil erosion will occur if the soil has a bad structure, or which means it can be broken apart easily. This can be done by wind or rain. According to the Institute for Environmental Research and Education, cover crops will help canopy above the soil, which will in turn slow rain and wind, making it harder for it to move the soil. Then there are the root systems. These will improve the soil structure. The soil structure is vital to keep healthy and strong. Otherwise, the rain will break it down and it will run off the field in the form of erosion. The benefits of cover crops do not stop at erosion though. They continue into water quality. According to UW-Madison, cover crops for improved surface water quality, cover crops can help create infiltration areas by their root systems. The root systems will dig through the ground, and then over time, after they die, will break down, creating tunnels known as macropores. These tunnels will be used for the water to seep into the ground and increase infiltration rates. With increased infiltration, more water will go into the soil rather than running off. This will not only keep soil in your field, but it will also help keep your nutrients in the field. There are many great benefits to cover crops, which are not often discussed. To conclude, there are many types of cover crops, and they each have their own purpose. They can work together to do many things, including decrease soil erosion, increase soil structure, and improve water quality. Cover crops are not often considered when talking about field health, but they are the reason why there is green in the field from the harvesting of cash crops to the planting of the next season.